Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do an unboxing of the Pixel 6a. Excited to try this out. So we never got the 5a last year in Canada, but we did get the 4a, the 4a 5G, etc. before that. So I kind of liked how the 4 to the 4a was a little bit bigger, had the fingerprint sensor, had the, it was pretty much the exact same, a little bit savings on the space on that. A little bit more economy, but let's take a look at the 6A. Let's unbox it and see what we get. All right. Google making it easy for me with these little pull tabs, and I have to go and find a knife or something. Oh, look at that. I don't know, I have not had a quote-unquote white phone in a while, and that just stands out. That is really cool. Okay, so I love that two-tone white that's there. Does make it feel nice. Now, smaller than the 6. So definitely smaller than the 6. Fingerprint sensors in there. There's our SIM tray. Power, volume, all that's going to be pretty well the same. Still has a Google Tensor chip built in. What else is in here? We got the SIM pusher. What else is in here? Manual, as if we read manuals around here. And we got a USB-C to A adapter dongle thingy and a C to C cable. No wall wart in here. But yeah, I kind of like this. Feels nice. Let me see the 5. Oh, see my head? All right, here's the 5. Compare the 5 to that. It's even a little bigger than the 5, and I kind of got really used to the size and shape of the 5. But then I also really got quickly used to using the 6 again, a little bit bigger size. So that it might be an interesting take, but yeah, so definitely smaller than the 4A 5G. Okay, so I will have a review up in a little while on this. If you have any questions about this, it feels like a solid contender. Right, I'll have a full review up on the website. If you have any questions, folks, give me a holler. Thanks.